All right, guys, new trail time. This is the riverbed trail, and it can be pretty spicy in here, so I'm going to take my time. First time recording it. I have ridden it before. It just gets pretty hectic, and I don't know how much the overgrowth it is down here, but just one of these cool little trails. Okay, the only place I'm probably going to have to pause as I'm going down here is I have to split between two trees. And the issue with these two trees is because I'm rocking full 800 mil bars. And I'm not sure if my bars are going to fit through the trees. So we'll see what happens when we get down there. So I may have to come off the bike. Oh, this tree has gotten a lot lower than it was supposed to. Okay, no problem. Alright, so I'm coming up to the tree, and I don't think my bars are going to fit, but we're going to try. We are going to try. Alright, my bar is going to fit. Oh, just barely. But there we go. And this is why I wear goggles. I don't think I'm going to go down, so I'll cut it right here. But that's the riverbed.